What to look for when hiring a henna artist. I'm gonna share a secret with you guys that you need to know that's going to help you decipher henna artists that you may be considering hiring, and it's gonna help you make a really good decision in who you choose to go with. So welcome to my channel. It is Henna Body Art Thursdays, brand new series that I started for you. My name is Khadija. I'm a henna artist for over 20 years now in the Columbia, Maryland area. And I also specialize in henna natural hair dye and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. I'm the CEO and founder of Hennasooq. Now, first off, what type of artists are out there when it comes to henna? Well, you have artists actually do specialize in certain types of art. Like everyone has their strengths. So you'll have bridal henna artists, you'll have pregnancy artists that specialize in doing this gorgeous henna belly art. You'll have artists that are really good, doing a lot of events and pop-ups, and you'll see them at natural hair shows. So what can you expect when you're choosing your henna artist and your first experience? What it really should be like. First, professional, and honestly, that henna artist should be making their own henna cones. If they're using pre-made cones, you will notice a distinct, strong scent. So that is a red flag. So you want to avoid that. Honestly, it's not good for your skin. It sometimes can make your skin really itchy, give you a migraine. Could leave a scar for some people. It's a red flag for sure. And you should expect being able to choose the design that you want to get, or maybe you want them to freestyle like the art that they do. It's completely up to you, but you should be getting serviced with all professionalism. It's very sanitary and clean, and they'll be sharing aftercare instructions with you also, so you get a really dark stain. Other red flags to look for is definitely black henna. And black henna is typically always chemicals. They use hair dye and place it with the henna powder and mix it together. And black hair dye is not supposed to be on your skin. So it will also be like inky, and it'll be like, I don't know, some type of like you could peel it away almost, and that is really bad for you. You can definitely get a bad reaction, scarring that possibly won't go away, and it's definitely linked to cancer. So you don't want to be exposing yourself to that when you can have an alternative like Jagua. So if they do Jagua, then they're using more natural products. So remember to make sure to ask the henna artist that you're considering to hire if they make their own henna paste from scratch, so that's really important. And you also want to avoid henna artists that use what they call mehendi oil, clove oil, citronella, anything that they put on your skin to claim that it's going to help get a darker stain. No, you don't need that. You need henna powder, pure essential oils, some sugar, water, maybe some lemon juice, and boom, that's all you need. And that will give you a really good stain. Mind you, like tattoos, if you use our henna care balm and moisturize the skin afterwards, that is going to help you get a really good stain and make it last longer. And also, what's really important when hiring a henna artist is that they have knowledge of the different parts of your body that will stain darker than others, because you could go home and be really confused as to why your stain didn't come out as dark as it could. And also sharing with you that your henna stain is going to be a little bit light at first, and it takes about 2 days to fully oxidize and settle, and the color to get really develop and get really beautiful and rich and red. And do note also that your henna stain might not always come out reddish or burgundy. It might come out a bit brown, which is normal and not a red flag. It depends on your skin chemistry. So just being aware of all those things will help you, make an informed decision when you're getting henna done. And for the different parts of the body, the hands and the feet stain the darkest, and other parts of your body, like the arms, will get a little lighter, legs will get a little lighter. If you're doing your belly, that also might be not as dark, and then the back also can be a little like light, and you don't want the henna to crumble off quickly. So a good henna artist is probably going to wrap those areas. Hopefully they do, and they spray lemon juice and sugar on it to help it like stick longer and stay there. But my personal and professional opinion is that when you're doing bellies and backs, henna artists really need to wrap with Hypafix tape, because it really secures the henna and keeps it on longer, so that way the stain gets much more like penetrated into the skin, so it gets really dark. So definitely you want to do that. And if the artists that you're working with, question them about that and ask for that, and if they can provide that. Do note the wrap is expensive, so not all artists can provide that, but maybe you can get your own. If you're really invested, you could go, you know, above and beyond to do that. But if you're at a festival or whatnot, and you're just having an outdoor henna experience, then just stick to the first, you know, parts. Make sure that they, most importantly, make their own henna, and that they give you aftercare, and that you're getting the best results, and then you should be fine. So I hope this helps you decide on what henna artist that you want to go with. And if you have become interested in henna and jaguar body art, guess what? I have a course for you. Yes, I do. I have a full e-course available that you can take. That is so much fun. I have guest artists that are showing us how to do so many different designs. You learn how to do henna like from the beginning, like every single detail. If you know me, you know I'm OCD with them details. And then you got the jaguar, everything laid out. Just the whole curriculum, and I share all my secrets. And if you're looking to make some money, I share the business details on how to be successful in that as well. So you definitely gotta check that out, because if you sign up, and this offer is ending soon, we have this special intro price for our course that includes a henna and body art kit and supplies with everything you need to get started. It's gonna last you like 6 months at least worth of products. And it is a value of $139, and you get it for free if you sign up for our course now. So take advantage, because it is a really good curriculum. And you get training with me one-on-one every month for 6 months as well. So I got you. So thank you for tuning in. I will see you next time. Remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos that I have every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.